Day 3, we're pulling into Puerto Vallarta. We're eating some breakfast. I can't show you my breakfast because I finished it. But you can see we're pulling in. We saw some whales earlier, but I didn't get my camera out. But we have an excursion today. What's our excursion today at Puerto Vallarta?
4x4 Jeep off-roading.
Right. We're going to do some 4x4 Jeep off-roading.
Dad's going to be driving, so he can't video.
I don't know how much content we'll get, but we'll see. There's Puerto Vallarta. We're docked, about ready to get off to go on to our adventure. Look, there's a Walmart here. There's another cruise ship, the Disney, I'm sorry, not Disney, Princess Cruises. And here's the port area. All right, we're gonna get ready to go. They're putting sunblock on and we're gonna go. You guys ready?
I can't see.
You ready?
I can't see.
Yeah. We're gonna do a skit for you.
I'm in jail.
Stop, you talky little.
I'm in jail.
Stop.
I
Or else
did
you'll
something bad.
or else you'll get only lettuce for a month.
No, I am in
Okay.
jail. I
Here's
did
some
something
lettuce.
really bad. I ate too much lettuce. Oh
No,
no, no, no.
she robbed a bank.
Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no.
Okay, it's been 3 months. You can come out of jail now.
Yum, yum, yum. I want more lettuce. Ah!
Go get your lettuce.
Ah, no.
Where are we on our way to?
To ATV tour.
Alright.
They're drinking soda. Driving downtown Puerto Vallarta.
Downtown Puerto Vallarta. Look at the big Christmas tree. How was the ride?
Is it really
Good.
It was long, but we're here. We're here. About to, look at this, all the stuff. But we're here. How cool. We wait for river, that's where we're at.
Oh wait, we're going to the pool?
Ooh, there's a pool. Oh, check that infinity pool out. Check out that infinity pool. It's awesome. Oh, look, you can see the.
Wait, what? Does it have a wall there?
Yeah. Just sit right here for me.
So pretty.
Stand next to your sister.
Cheers!
I'm gonna chug
Cheers!
this.
It's not a shot, it's juice. By the way, we're not bad parents. She's drinking it like a shot. I'm gonna sip mine.
She shouldn't know how to drink it like a shot.
Like, you guys do it.
I see you guys do it. She does see us do it. Here's our Jeep. JJ, you all ready to go? Michaela and Mommy are getting ready to go.
I don't fit in any helmet. This is a smaller helmet.
Okay, well, we'll ask them for a smaller helmet.
My head's too small.
We're heading out on our Razor tour. Dad's driving. Kids are in the back seat. And we're going.
Dad,
What?
can you go fast?
I will sit down.
Going up the hill.
Ooh, we got sliding in.
It is dusty.
I can't see anything.
Alright, now we're off-roading. For a minute, I will record until I lose my phone.
Hold on.
Watch over the bump.
Oh, it's a cobblestone street.
Going faster now. We're on a
Look
suspension
how far
bridge.
down it is. Look
It's
down.
so freaky.
Waterfall. Waterfall on this side, guys.
Okay, watch the road, Dad.
I am.
I'm not a fan of the bridge.
Look down the waterfall down there.
Not a fan of the bridge.
Guys.
And we're over the bridge. Alright.
Down to the waterfall. What's up, guys? Hey, watch out, don't fall.
I almost fell.
Go ahead.
Go swimming. There's Mom
You guys gotta
coming
get
down.
going. We gotta be good swimmers. Michael Phelps kind of level.
Yeah, waterfall. Check that thing out. Hey. There's JJ. Let's go over here and check out the waterfall. So cool.
Kids are good swimmers. You gotta be good swimmers, okay? Just come over to your right side before the current.
They're good swimmers.
Juanito.
My two are good swimmers. I don't know the other one. Michaela got in. JJ, go! Go, JJ, go! In the water. The water changed 1,000,000 degrees. It's a lot warmer there. Woohoo! Come on. Good job. Good job, buddy.
I lost my hair tie.
Oh well. Your hair's braided anyways.
Huh?
Was it good?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yep.
You had to wait till your brother got there?
Yep. I like the ending with the water current.
Yeah? You gonna do it again?
Yeah, I opened my eyes underwater.
You gonna do it again?
I opened my eyes underwater. That's fine, right?
Are you gonna do it? Yeah. You gonna do it again? You should have just swam over there instead of coming all the way out.
Do it again?
Was it fun? JJ, just swim over there. Don't get all the way out. It'll be a lot easier. Dad's finally swimming over there. There you go, Michaela.
Water's cold.
How's it going? Hi. When they jump off, the current starts to pull them the other way. I want to jump, but I'm scared I'm going to dislocate my shoulder. And that'll be it for our trip, so. They all win.
We're gonna start getting ready, familia.
They all win.
We're gonna get changing. Here's the time to change.
Back out.
We're back.
After the waterfall, now we're headed back. We're dying because it's a big walk up.
Yep.
Mom's probably dying the most, but we're good.
No one else is.
JJ was having a hard time there for a minute too. You ready? Michaela now has her towel on because they went swimming in the waterfall.
It was fun.
Yeah?
How many times do you guys jump off? the favorite part?
Here goes
What's your favorite part?
What? The waterfall.
The waterfall or
Wow, this is a very boring video, and I'm not even gonna put it
the
on.
waterfall or going back.
Over here.
JJ, what about you?
I liked it. It was fun.
Yeah,
I liked the waterfall the most.
waterfall the most. Yeah, that was cool. Left the kids at the restaurant. We're gonna go have some tequila. Have a tequila tasting. Ooh, looky here. Very nice. Let's see what we got here.
Alright, we ready, guys?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, sure.
Very nice.
Just bring the shot and hold it in the mouth till 5 seconds, and then just watch a little bit, bring it, and then just exhale. That's it, right? Ready? We're gonna say few drops. Do you want tiny, medium?
Medium's good.
Medium is good.
Yeah. Gracias. Did you leave me some?
Yes, Dad.
Did you leave me some?
It just came.
Did you leave me some?
Yes, it just came. Calm down.
Ooh, cheese. Nachos. A Corona. And what'd you get to drink?
Exterminator?
Exterminator. Whatever that
There's
is.
Martin.
JJ, can you get your bag off the table here? It's open.
Hello.
Let's eat. We're back on the boat from Puerto Vallarta. Tomorrow is Mazatlan. A very pretty area of the mountain ranges. Look at the sunset. Look at my beautiful wife and the sunset. Hi.
Hi.
You're not looking at me.
Hi.
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 How was your day?
It was great, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
I did have fun. It scared me a couple times, but I had fun.
No. Very pretty.
It's Sam's Club. Right next to Walmart.
There's a Sam's Club. Look at this. Look at this. We're in Mexico, and there's a Sam's Club, and there's a Walmart for all your needs. That's the hottest day we've had so far. So everyone's swimming. I finally see people actually in the pool. Ooh, performance. We're gonna go up to the racetrack because we got time booked. And there's Puerto Vallarta. Hi. Norwegian Bliss Speedway is this way.
I am so excited. That's not even kind of need all our anywhere and stuff.
Let's go up to the Speedway. There it is.
I'm gonna beat you off. I'm gonna be the one standing right here.
Oh yeah, you're gonna stand right here?
Right there.
Check in over here.
Yeah, you will. Yeah.
Alright, let's race. I don't know if we'll be able to record it, so this is all you're really gonna get unless we magically record it.
What are we doing?
We're doing race cars.
On a ship, on the top deck.
No, the top deck is later.
No, we're on, yeah, that's 2 stories.
Yes, 2 stories. We start down here though, we go up top to race.
Start down here and it goes up and around.
Yep. You got number 5, I said.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Go, Michaela, go! Dad's gonna catch you!
talk is killing me. One last shot, hold on to me.
Something I gotta say to you is I'm ready to go. Just run away. All that talk is killing me. One last shot.